Okay, so we're on Moose Factory Island right now. Moose Factory is a community that's located in pretty much the middle of nowhere, James Bay. Next town over is about 150 kilometers. So, when you leave the island, if you were to break down or get lost, you're pretty much on your own until somebody can come find you, or you can walk home. So, when you do leave, there's a few things you should always keep on you. I'll show you one of those things today. That's 20 gauge brass wire. There's lots of things you could use it for, but in this video we're going to use it to snare rabbit. So you can find rabbit pretty much everywhere around here. Rabbit like to reuse their own trails, so you just need to find a decent one and lay your snare down across it. One of your best chances of catching a meal if you're lost or stranded. So that's what your snare is going to look like. You got a noose on one end, you thread the other end through it and tie it to the tree. I cut the wire about 1.5 feet long. So when your snare's done, you put the sticks on the side to keep the rabbit from going around. Create little doorways. And the stick on the bottom is so he doesn't duck underneath the snare. So far. And I caught another rabbit.